Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, December 4th, 2024. We have a lot to talk about with a Arctic blast setting up for tomorrow morning, just in time for the morning and evening rush hours. A lot of interesting setups there. We'll walk through everything. And of course, if you're interested in more details, there's also the premium video discussion where we break down the details and the lifting parameters. Also check out the premium long-range thoughts as I go through comparing the observations based on what I thought December was going to be, based on the observations where we are now. That's an interesting walkthrough. And of course, tonight we have our live chat at 8 p.m. So hope to see you there. Currently, right now, we have a nice southwesterly wind out ahead of our Arctic cold front that is well off into the Great Lakes. Temperatures range from the lower to mid-20s over the far northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s in your suburbs, lower to mid-30s on the immediate coast and in your urban areas. Warm spot, Wildwood at 38 with winds coming off of the Delaware Bay. When we take a look at our current radar and surface map from Weather Tap, you see the start here of our warm air transport with, again, most of our steady precipitation going to be focused more towards central New York and Massachusetts and portions of New England, and you get a little bit of northern Pennsylvania here as well. Nothing that is impressive. This is not an impressive heavy snowfall scenario in any way, shape, or form. But tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon, let's see what we have on the roadway. People who aren't used to snow, or at least snow squalls, slick roadways for your new teenage kid driving home from high school, and also other just bad drivers in general, driving into a nasty situation during the morning and evening rush hour in two different aspects. So, the radar looks unimpressive. And by this evening, we're talking about after 8 p.m., there's a few rain snow showers. This is not a heavy snowfall situation. There's our Arctic cold front way up here. This is the 850 millibar analysis via Earth New School. Again, totally free. You can see the warm air transport out ahead. There's our Arctic air. And with it, look how strong these winds are wrapping around this upper level low, this 850 millibar low. So this drops south. It swings through like this. And these strong winds come along for the ride as well, setting up for tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon. On the infrared satellite pitch, you can see the lifting increasing here via the isotropic lifting with the warm air transport. And there's the first signal of our Arctic cold front getting a little bit stronger here. The cloud tops are starting to cool as the lifting intensifies. And the primary theme here for tomorrow is the way that these temperatures fall. So tomorrow morning, you're in the 40s on the coast. Not too bad, right? Well, by the time you leave for the evening hours tomorrow, it's going to be around freezing. So about a 10-degree drop. It'll be 10 degrees colder in the afternoon compared to the morning. And when you have a drop like this, this is what we call strong frontogenesis. And so when you get strong frontogenesis, well, that's when you start to get some interesting signals on your mesoscale data. NAM, not so much. There is some signals here. The HRR is really starting to show this. And here's my concern here. As this Arctic cold front moves through, what you end up with is what's called convective precipitation. So very heavy rainfall changing over to very heavy snowfall right in the middle of our morning rush hour. So while I don't expect a lot of accumulation, I do expect poor visibility as this moves through. With temperatures falling, we'll have lingering snow showers and flurries throughout the rest of the day, setting up for slick road conditions as we set up for tomorrow evening. So for today, not too bad, but as we move through tonight into tomorrow morning, that's when things get a little tricky. So, impact map. This is not a heavy snowfall impact map in any way, shape, or form. This is all about timing and how this is going to evolve for tomorrow. Because if you're looking for accumulating snow over a dusting, really you have to go up in northeastern Pennsylvania, well north, even north of Scranton, northern Connecticut, where you get a little bit more steadier snowfall. We're talking about 1, 2 inches, 3 inches at the max. In zone 2, this is where you get the snow showers at first, taking over to rain, back over to snow, trace of snow, maybe an inch on some cold surfaces. The key thing here is that Arctic cold front moving through. And of course, zone 3, snow to rain and back over to snow. A trace, maybe a dusting. Not a significant snow accumulation threat. The threat here, the winds. Now, you got slick road conditions, falling temperatures, and winds coming in from the west at 10 to 20 miles per hour, setting up behind this Arctic cold front with gusts over 30 miles per hour, setting up the potential for some power outages, down trees. So it's going to be a bit nasty as you head home in the evening hours. So walking through this forecast for today, look for increasing cloud cover, look for high temperatures in the mid 30s over the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast. Very, very quiet day. Showers begin to develop this evening, becoming more widespread after midnight. Again, rain, snow, showers. It's going to be pretty mild along the coast tomorrow morning, with low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to mid 30s in the Delaware River Valley, and upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. All those low temperatures are going to be happening towards around midnight. The morning lows will be in the upper 30s to lower 40s. What about the afternoon highs? Well, they won't be afternoon highs. They'll be morning highs as this Arctic cold front moves through tomorrow, with highs in the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior and upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. That's going to be around 8, 9 a.m. After that, everyone free falls into the 20s and 30s. So over the interior, you're in the mid to upper 20s. Along the coast, you're around freezing or falling below it. So that all moves through with windy conditions. Thursday night into Friday morning. Strong winds continue. Look for a few flurries. Low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast. By Friday afternoon, sky cloud cover, a few flurries. High temperatures, rather chilly, in the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s in the New York City metro, lower to mid 30s in the Philadelphia metro. On Saturday, our last really chilly day. Still a threat for a few flurries here and there. Otherwise, sky cloud cover with low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. On Sunday, high pressure shifts off the coast. An area low pressure passes to our north, producing the threat of maybe an isolated rain snow shower in the Poconos. Other than that, just expecting sky cloud cover and warmer conditions with low temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s and high temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast. On Monday, a cold front and area low pressure approaches with increasing cloud cover and showers towards evening. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 30s, high temperatures in the lower to mid 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. On Tuesday, the cold front approaches with waves of showers expected. Look for low temperatures in the upper 30s to mid 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. High temperatures, very warm, mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s in the New York City metro, lower to mid 60s in the Philadelphia metro. By the time we get to Wednesday, high pressure builds in with clearing skies and more seasonable temperatures, with low temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the northern interior, mid to upper 30s in your suburbs, lower to mid 40s on the immediate coast and in your urban areas, and high temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior and mid to upper 40s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.